Welcome to this Fixit channel, and of course this one is about Intel CPUs. So I did the first video on should you buy a PC with an AMD Ryzen, which I answer yes. That said, how about buying a PC with an Intel CPU? First of all, okay, let's be fair, even though I do recommend AMD Ryzen CPUs, I gotta say, I still have my favorite CPUs are still Intel chips, and that's, from long time tech guy, and always buying Intel CPU based computers. But that said, for the first time, I am honestly thinking that the next PC might have an AMD Ryzen in it. It might be a good thing because they are showing up at lower price, very good performance, and they kind of fixed a lot of the core issues that were there before. That said, should you buy an Intel PC? Why not? I mean, I think Intel does make good products. If you're looking for performance, you might have more performance on the AMD Ryzen, but if you're looking for, there it says Intel inside, Intel Core i5, absolutely no problem there. You'll have a great computer. Now, what's coming up is the 9th generation Intel CPUs, and these are something to look for. They are not available yet, but they are going to probably be a very good competition to the AMD Ryzen 2 CPUs. So that means the next Intel Core i5, i9, i7 might actually be very good, but you will be paying more. Intel has always been a little more expensive. Having an Intel chip in your computer has always been a little more expensive than having an AMD chip. So I would say, generally speaking, if you're looking at the actual generation of core Intel chips, and you see also AMD Ryzen CPUs on some laptops, you know what? Both will be great. And I can't really give an advantage to Intel anymore. If you wait for the next generation, 9th generation will come out later this year, maybe Intel could kick AMD's butt, but it's not sure yet also because we don't have that many benchmark or information about all these chips. But whatever you choose, I recommend a Core i5 as a minimum for any laptop that you buy, because Core i3 have less performance, and anything that doesn't give you any Core i5 or i7 or i9 numbered next to it is often a lower grade dual core processor. So if you can put the money, because these machines are a little more expensive, try to go to at least something that says Core i5. Core i7 is even better. Core i9 is of course top of the line, but that you won't see Core i9 in most computers. It's generally Core i5 or i7, and of course i7 is a great performer. It's a better performer than i5, but i5s are pretty good too. I would avoid the Core i3s that are usually much lower grade, and almost every computer I've seen with an i3 Intel CPU is usually very slow compared to other laptops. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.